Touch your toes. Where are we going? Go buy what you want. Or we're gonna get some of this.
I want Glade.
Get the big one, the middle. Yeah, that one.
But which one?
Oh yeah.
I'll get that one.
Also that one.
Thanks, Ate Pia.
Nope, you pay.
Okay, let's move over here. Whoa, whoa. How's that? How's that? Let's see. Oh my God, is that sugar? Is that sugar? Ito yung mga bata, oh. Well, let's go get some dinner.
The fruits are really sweet.
Is it really sweet? Let me try
fruits
one.
are.
We're gonna head back to the truck. So how do you guys like Orlando Prime Outlets? They got everything. Huh?
I really like it, but we need money.
They got everything here. How do you like this place, Joey?
Yes.
Okay, we just walked across the street in this busy highway. What do you guys want to eat, ladies? Number 16 right there. Yeah, I want some noodles. Pho noodles. Oh yeah. What's that? Oh, you got your popcorn chicken.
I want to give you, so why you keep it?
Oh yeah.
Good.
Smell good?
Yeah.
Spicy. I like it spicy. How's your soup?
Good.
It's good.
I've been trying it.
Disney World.
Welcome to Disney World.
Magical. This gonna be it.
Hoy, walang touch muna ng no jumping in the bed first, okay?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Pictures with Leo.
Okay, so the hotel is gonna be on the left.
Probably just gonna jump.
We are in Shalom. Look for Hilton Hotel. Body Creek. Reception.
I wonder what floor I'm gonna do.
Go on in. Yeah. Ito na yung mga anak. Saka na yan, Bella. Looks heavy for you. Yeah. That's wrong? 443. What? Enter the room. Turn on the light. Okay, this one has a balcony. Let's see, turn on all the lights. Yeah. Let's go check out the balcony. Yeah? Okay. Open.
We're right there earlier, Bella.
There you go.
No, that's where we are. Right there.
There it is. Gets what? What's gets? Wow, ito yung nakuha namin yung dito. Sa Disney World. Malapit lang. Disney World Resorts. Okay, so here is the amenity where this blue band is gonna get you. Alright, so we got the barista bar. It's open from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. Ponce de Leon lower lobby, Blue Harmon Spa, Terrozo Pool, recreational area, lower lobby. Okay, let's go. Sibella. Lower lobby. Which one did you want to go to?
The arcade.
Yeah. Want to go swimming? That's the spot. Okay, mauna kayo.
Bayad ng spa.
Oo. Oh, there's the gym. Ooh, there's the gym. That's marijuana. Oh yeah, that's weed. We'll be smoking. Where's the what? I don't know. Let's go find out. Oh yeah, somebody's smoking weed upstairs somewhere.
Let's go find the other one.
Okay, let's go. That's what we're trying to find. Cards. Okay, there's one card. Go. There's another one. All right, go play. There. Relax. There you go.
I should try again.
Get all of them.
I think I should get this one because like this long here and it's so
Huh?
small. Just watch this.
Dude. Oh.
What the heck?
Oh, and he drops it. Well, come on. That's a ripoff, dude. That is a ripoff. Oh my god.
Dude.
Oh, hold on. Let's see. What's going on over here? Nambabato sila. Binabato yan. Oh my god. They can't even throw it properly. Come on. Hurry. 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 Oh, dude, high five, high five. 4 tickets? How do you get 4 tickets? Oh, dang. Dude, look at that. 4 tickets. What a ripoff. Oh, there's the hot tub, Bella. Touch the hot tub. This one right here. Are you serious?
It's a hot tub. It's supposed to be hot.
Oh, dude, there's a fire pit. Let's touch the pool.
Yup, it's warm.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious.
Why are you using your feet? Tomorrow you can swim.
Oh man, I think we're gonna go swim. And a fire pit. Ganda. Oh yeah, dude. Which one? The pirate ship. Pirate. Woo-hoo. I like it. Closed gate. Back bay. Ganda. Ligo tayo, Han. Sa yung mga baby girls. Wait for mama. Whoa! There's the pirate ship. Wow. Oh yeah. Okay, let's go this way. Over here. Over here. There's the pirate ship.
Dude, that looks so cool.
Yeah.
It says the pools are closed at 10 p.m.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
I want to go on the hot tub.
Do they have a beach towel? I mean,
Yeah. They got towels here. Oh, they got huts.
Okay, let's just go home now.
Let's just go.
spa reels. Oh, there's another hot tub right there.
Ooh, there's a spa.
Oh, that one is steaming.
Yeah.
Which one?
Ooh, that hot tub.
Okay, let's go see. am Queen Elizabeth.
I am Groot.
It's so creepy here. Where's the big rat? Where's the big rat? I haven't seen it in that huge chair. Good morning. Woo, it's cold. Here is the view from our hotel room. And there's Joey. I know, right? I won't drop it. Yeah. So we're gonna go get some breakfast. I thought it was stuck, dude.
Well, you get stuck if you lock it.
Tignan nyo naman mga anak kong yagit. Nagigising lang ho kahit di pa nagsipilyo dito sa magandang hotel. Wala silang wala kami mga pakailam eh. Live your life. Okay, saan tayo kakain dyan? I think we report right here, huh? This is it right here. Okay, Hunt's gonna have some breakfast. I want some coffee. Where's the coffee? Right there. I didn't want you to cry. Okay. Okay, may breakfast na dito.
Yeah. Too much clothes.
We got the coffee. Yes. Okay, my coffee's ready. Dito kami sa Windham Rewards. Okay.
Okay, you want to let my hat?
Let me see. Oh, nice.
Oh, that's
Let me see.
expired.
No, it's not. Ganito yung mga... Oh, wow! Ganda naman ako. Go. Okay, we're getting ready. Everybody get the hat on. You ready to see rats?
Yes.
Alright, we are finally out of the hotel. We're heading to the Disneyland.
Hey, Bruce.
Yeah, we're going.
We got rats and ducks. We're gonna go and try to harass. Hey, which one did you take? Standard. Okay, me too. I'll follow you. Nino. Akin na.
Ayan, dadali ni Papa.
You want me to hold it for you? Jeez. Mga social to mga bata to. I don't want to hold it because it's ugly.
I didn't say that. I just said it was ugly.
Dalaga na eh. There's our ride. We got the Mickey Mouse colors. Yeah, we get the front. Hey, let's do one. Bella, this one. Bella, go around Uncle Chucky. Pia, what are you doing? You go around.
Seating is allowed. Thank you.
You want to sit on my lap, Chuck?
Oh my God! Look at that. There's over there.
Once again, 5 to a row, maybe less. No lap sitting is allowed.
No
Once
laps.
again, if you do have strollers and wheelchairs, they must be empty and folded and stored in a row with you, please.
Did you see the ears on that thing? His ears.
As if you have strollers, wheelchairs, they must be empty, folded, stored in a row with you. Driver's living off. Once again, continue on to the other side on yellow line for your safety and ours. And once again, Collie symbols.
All right.
Following to the other side on yellow line, please.
All right. Let's go. the way down.
All the way down, you got it. Right this way, guys. Yep, continue all the way down. Yep, and all the way down.
More hotels. Nice.
Hey, guys, look at me.
Look at that.
Look at me. And these are peas. No, look at us. Look at us. Yeah. Let's look right now. No, you didn't.
Pretty cool. All right, go. Go up, follow Uncle Chuck. This way, hon. Hi, Kayla, same thing.
Okay, so I'm gonna make you guys cards.
Okay,
There we go. And these are gonna be your tickets from now on.
okay.
So we're gonna have you scan your card on the Mickey. And then one finger. Every time you scan in, same card with the same finger. Perfect.
Okay,
Okay, we're gonna scan this. There we go.
okay, next is Isabella.
Hi. Which one you get? You are Tinkerbell.
Oh, what did I get? Oh, I got Simba.
And one finger time. You are Nemo.
Nemo, yeah, scan. Okay, put your finger right there.
All right.
Nice. And then, I don't know who she is.
What?
Sophia.
Sophia. You are Elsa. Go
Ah,
ahead and scan.
should be Ursula.
We have no villains for some.
No villains.
No villains.
Here we are. Wow, guys. People, what's going on here?
The parade.
Oh, the parade is happening. Let's go this way. The parade is happening.
Look at the parade.
No, you're right. No.
Gonna follow Atticella. Over here. Bella, over here. Dito, ayaw niyo dyan. Right there, right here, dito na lang. Oh. Diba?
Yeah.
Hey, Pinocchio! Wait, hold on. Let's wait for all the people to. Okay. Let the kids lead the way. That way? Okay. Let's go that way. You guys, you two lead the way. Oh my God! Why do you have to lead this way? I know. So walk out. Why?
No, I want candy.
Later. Too early.
I wanted to go to Disney for the food.
They have arcade.
Okay, right there. Here's it. Okay. Okay.
Huh? Yeah, we're gonna go this way.
What? Oh my God!
I want to go on the ride.
Okay.
Okay, Paul.
Where is it?
Right here.
Yeah, we're gonna do everything here.
Give me the map. Where's the food place?
We're gonna follow these two, but they walk fast. Yep, hurry.
Can I just go walk?
Huh?
Can I go to bakery? Because I'm so hungry.
Yeah. Well, you're what? You're hungry? Oh yeah. Papunta dito, hindi makasakay.
Where's my chicken and cheese dog?
They here. What? Langaw? Asan?
Firework.
Okay, eat, Joey. Hurry up. That's a chili cheese dog. There.
Let's go, guys. Let's put our rides.
Good? Oh. Oh, got all over your shirt. Take your shirt off first. These are corn dogs.
Ubusin niyo yun, sayang. Wala na mamaya tayo pa mag-
Oh, 50 pesos.
Have so much.
Ha?
Why'd you guys give so much?
Kasi mamaya wala na.
This one?
Puro ganito lang pagkain dito.
Just eat it. Just eat it.
I want it.
Lick it a little. Why are you playing with the food? Stop playing with the
I'm
food.
mixing it.
You're still not gonna eat it though, so you're playing with it.
Okay, we're going to Tomorrowland.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Next day, Paul. Let's do it next day.
Tomorrow, Tomorrowland.
Let me see.
Hey, what's this? Oh, this is the Monster Inc. What do we do? Oh, hi. Thank you. Laugh floor. All right. The future of energy is a joke. Monster Inc. I like this. Pretty scary. Huh?
What is that? Where's the jokes at? This is boring. We're like boring floor.
The boring floor? Oh, no.
The shortest.
Oh, good.
Funny.
Hi. All right, here we go. This is no laughing matter. Yellow line in the bottom. Let's go. Let's go.
Monster of comedy. Laugh, stare facility. Don't get behind these guys. Yeah.
Horns, tentacles, furs, and fangs like I do, it's important to be with your loved ones this holiday season. I'm glad you're here. Speaking of loved ones, your holiday host is going to be arriving in a minute. He's round and green and he's got one eye. Shout it out if you know his name.
Monster.
Mike, yeah. Okay, is
Oh,
anybody out there named Mike? Do we have any Mikes in the audience? There's one mic over there. I think I see a mic on that. Okay, somebody's pointing to a mic. Thank you. That completes our mic check. Cheers for your ho-ho host, me, Mike Wazowski!
Mikey!
Happy holidays!
Oh!
Oh, very good! I'm Mike Wazowski. That's Wazowski with one eye. Welcome to the laugh floor. Now,
Alright, what's the next ride, guys? Same cart? Okay. Same cart. Go, 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 go. Oh my god. Oh, come on,
Oh, hurry up, moment. Then you'll leave without one.
Huh? In the middle? You don't want him to sit right there?
It's slow right now. We're gonna be fast. A little fast.
Then step into the car. For your safety, remain seated.
Can we go faster?
No, what's that happening?
And other appendages inside.
Oh my god, they're going fast.
Please swear.
Yes! We're going fast. TTPP.
Greetings, intergalactic travelers.
Hey!
Presented by Enterprise.
This is so cool, man. Are you enjoying this, big boy? Watch your head. Oh, the go-karts. Go-karts. Look at the bubble. Look at the bubble. Right there. Catch it.
For your safety, if you have wings, jetpacks, or gravity boards,
Move over there.
please
Move over that way. Oh my god. Hey, there's the monster laugh floors. Oh, there's...
The next station is
Tomorrowland.
Transfer to green and red lines.
Woo! Oh, there's the Magic Kingdom.
Right by two of my favorite spots.
I like this place. Whee! Oh my god. Oh my god. Scared. Uh-oh.
First up, Progress City. Walt Disney's amazing dream for a
Oh,
Did you know Progress City inspired Epcot? And a lot of the visionary ideas throughout Walt Disney World.
wow.
Look, there's even a tiny people mover.
Where?
I wonder if that means there's a tiny ORAC.
Yeah. Wow. Nice. Look at this side. It's
On your right is Star Traders, home to the greatest goods in the galaxy. Except actual stars. Those are bonus.
yeah. Whoa. Oh, there's a race go-kart. Speedway. Tomorrowland Speedway. Whoa. Let's go that way.
And these are two of the
Oh,
best
okay.
tracks in the cosmos for
Yeah. Oh yeah, the Speedway looks cool. Look at that. Nice. Oh, we're gonna have to have a race, guys.
attention all visitors from Galaxy 31.
I like it. What's that? Tron. Ooh, Tron. Light cycle run. Ooh. Nice. Oh my goodness, what is that? Let's ride that. I want to ride that.
No.
I want to ride it. Oh, Space Mountain. Oh, it's gonna hit us. Oh, Space Mountain.
This is Starport 75.
Or as we always call it, Space Mountain.
Space Mountain. Oh. Whoa! That's the roller coaster. Do you like that?
I like Space Mountain.
You don't like Space Mountain?
Too loud.
Attention Mr. Morrow, Mr. Tom Morrow. Please contact Mr. Johnson in the control tower to confirm your flight to the moon.
Oh, we're going to the moon. Too loud?
Attention all visitors from Galaxy M31. Please keep forward-facing tentacles clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank you.
Go Pia, go Pia. What's the next ride? Okay. You're driving. Okay. You're driving. Let's go. Yee! Joey's driving. Get him, Joey. Get follow Mama. We good? 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 Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, Joey. Go, Joey! Oh my God! Yeah! There! Oh my God! Number 5. There's a rider. Bump him! Bump him! Bump him! Bump him! Oh! Why are they passing us?
I don't know.
Look at Mama!
You need to go faster.
Oh, I'm trying. There you go. Extra boost. Yeah. Come on, Mom. Stop hitting the gutter, you gotta go fast. There she is, she's catching up. Turn, what the? Your arms are crooked. No, you gotta move one hand after the other. Not like that. There you go, like that. Yeah, oh yeah, now we're going fast. Now we're going fast. You're crossing your hands, don't cross your hands. Let it go, there you go, that's it. Now go the other way. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh yeah. There you go. Now we're going. Now we're going. Yeah, waving to the people. What's up with that? Let's go. Oh, we're going fast. What the heck? Oh, we're gonna give her a bump. What do you think?
Stop! Stop!
What happened?
Stop! Stop! Stop!
Little Mermaid. No, no, no.
No, it's a slow.
It's a slow, see, slow moving clams. What's this one? Are we turning around? What
Can you
happened?
buy me the ice cream sandwich after this?
Oh, no, this is the fast lane. 3 to 4, 3 to 4. Okay, all the kids.
Joey in the middle.
Joey in the middle.
Hindi matatakot.
Okay, go, 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 Joey.
Right here, watch.
Go, go. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Hindi tayo kasi tatuhan.
Ha?
Hindi tayo kasi.
Di ba kasha? Ano naman ito? Alright, here we go, the clam. The clam ride. Oh! Hi! Hi!
Oh, I'm getting ahead of myself.
There he is.
The story began when Ariel fell head over fins in love. Well, it began when...
Hi! Hi! birthday, girl. All right. Where's the water?
Water is going to be right over there.
Oh, you just grab it?
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
No problem.
Do the turkey leg. Do the turkey leg. Oh my God.
Mom, can I move the paper?
Yeah. The paper. That's a straw paper. Big old turkey. Dude, turkey leg.
Zig, you dip that pretzel in there. Or maybe I could dip my turkey leg.
Is this cheese?
That's cheddar, yeah.
Hindi kumuha si Papa ng napkin.
Ay, ay, ay. Big on it. Going to Bahamas?
I wish.
Ah. Okay.
Yeah, we don't have time.
Ah, okay. Yes. Look at that. Yeah! Wow. Look at the big old Magic Kingdom castle. Oh, wait, there's a show. There's a show turn.
If you plan to view up here, make sure we are inside of those yellow tape lines. But heading toward the castle if we're going to watch fireworks at this time. Fireworks begin at 8 o'clock. Again, fireworks begin at 8 o'clock.
There's gonna be a lot of people.
Yeah.
Can you see? It's already almost 8:37.
We're gonna go, we have to go up there. There's the magical castle. Oh my God. How about here? You guys like it here?
No.
Okay, where? Saan nyo gusto? Dito? Dito na lang para ano kita natin. Right here. Yeah, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
We do sell bubble solution at any.
Okay, watch out. Don't do it over your face. Dude, it's getting all over your face.
It's like your seat or anything.
I'm good. Okay. Okay, save it. Hold it. Alright, good. Jeez. You're welcome. Okay. This guy is freaking
Yeah, I want to take a picture like this.
dito tayo dito.
I'll tell you when to do it again.
Okay.
My face. I put your photos. Mamaya sa firework, hindi maganda yun eh.
In just a few minutes, in order to fully experience tonight's presentation, the lighting around the Magic Kingdom will be reduced. For your own safety and for that of others, we ask that you remain in the same location until the lighting returns to normal. Get ready. Our seasonal celebration will begin in just a few minutes.
I thought it would be. Thank you. Wait, let's do it. There's 5 minutes.
Yeah, you got 5 minutes. Need that nice one.
Welcome, everyone, and thank you so much for being here. We're just thrilled to be with all of you this season. Oh, it's my favorite time of the year. And you know what? With all of us together, I just know something wonderful is about to happen. Oh, my! There's magic in the air.
Whoa, that's pretty cool, Joey. Look at the castle, Joey. That's pretty cool, huh? Hold on. Let's see.
Only happens when we're all together.
Sure, it's nice to open a gift that's tied up with a perfect bow.
Almost done.
But the greatest present of all was given to me long ago. It's something I would never trade. It's the family that we've made. 'Cause when we're together, I have everything on my list. And when we're together, I
for people to go. Good job. Dang, that was awesome. That was awesome.
I really need to sit down.
That was good. Good. That was good. Merry Christmas, my family. Give. Group hug. Oh, Jojo. That was fun. That was good. That was good. Okay, so we're gonna follow this family. You guys form a train around me like this, shoulder to shoulder. Go. Hug, 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 hug. There you go. Okay, watch out for the stroller. Single file. So many people. We're like. You're so tired, buddy. Oh my God, there's so many people. It's snowing. Look, it's snowing.
In Florida.
Yes. Look, right there. Snowing. Snowing in Florida. It's snowing.
I wish it was real snow.
So beautiful. I'm gonna cry. Look at that. It's melting. Oh my God, look at that snow.
Wow, big snow.
Big snow. Look at that. Look at that. No, we already bought this. We gotta go. Everybody's leaving. Yeah, we're going home, dude. We're going home.
What else is for us?
God.
Big snow.
That was awesome.
Big snow.
That was awesome. Well, we're going snowboarding next month, so we're gonna be good. All right, everybody, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas natin. That was worth it, guys.